The Pro Series line of bumpers from Westin are perfect for the daily driver and tough enough to take on the trails. The Pro Series rear bumper will help complete the look of your truck, especially if you already have the Pro Series front bumper. This lightweight bumper option has a slim design. It is a one-piece build and it's made of a strong 10-gauge steel, making it one tough bumper to protect your ride. The Pro Series bumper is tough, but just as important is how it looks. I mean, check out that laser-cut Westin logo. The high and tight design is made to fit your truck perfectly and give you the ground clearance you need in most any situation, either on the tarmac or in the dirt. Westin has given this a textured black finish with an e-coated base coat. This gives an extended life for your bumper by protecting it from mud, rain, or whatever else you face. Just like the Pro Series front bumper, the rear bumper is fully compatible for OEM parking sensors for that added safety and peace of mind. You can also use your factory hitch with this bumper, and there are 2 spaces in the bumper to add 2 FM6 flush mount lights for more visibility in the darkest of areas. If you're interested in purchasing the Pro Series rear bumper by Westin or looking to have one installed, check out our store locator on the screen or in the description below. And be sure to subscribe for new product videos every week. Thanks for hanging out, and we'll see you next time on In the Garage.